Hey everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me tonight. I got something really, really great to share with you. I have customers that use this product, but not all of you use this product. So, this is a miracle product. I know, I'm serious. I really feel this way. I love this product. It is somebody that wants immediate gratification. This is the product for you. Okay, now this is what I call my Botox pen. Okay, this is my Botox pen. It's the Volu-Fill Repair Deep Wrinkle Filler. Deep Wrinkle Filler. Okay, so 100% of women, y'all, that have used this and that you do use this have an improvement of the appearance of the wrinkle severity, okay, and the wrinkle itself, okay. Because let's just talk about it, okay. It's super exciting. What does it have in it first? Okay, it has encapsulated retinol, and it has the visible plumping action of encapsulated hyaluronic acid. Okay. But with those two ingredients, that's helping over time. So you have an immediate fix, meaning that we're gonna pat it in. I'm gonna show you in a minute. It's not gonna ball up or flake, but you're actually gonna pat it in the wrinkle, okay, in the deep wrinkle, and it's gonna like have a nice finish on top. And then you apply your makeup and go on for the day, so you won't see it for the day. And like I said, since it has those ingredients in it, and you're using it twice a day, well, not, you don't have to use it twice a day, but you can, then it's starting to actually repair. Okay, that's what it's doing. And so this is so exciting. It is a formula that will immediately fill in a wrinkle and helps improve the appearance over time. So its deep wrinkles are targeted with the retinol and with the hyaluronic acid. Okay, wherever the wrinkle is, crow's feet, 11 right here, forehead wrinkles, like the mariner lines right here, however you say that, like all the areas, okay. And so they're visibly going to appear more plump. So a wrinkle, okay, is like this, right? And so inside of it, you're going to feel it, and so it's going to close it up. Does that make sense? So that's kind of what's happening. So that's it. Botox pen. So let me just see if I can show y'all. Let me try to do it's kind of, so this is where I have the biggest wrinkles, I guess. And so you kind of just, so I put it on my fingertip. Okay, can y'all see that? Okay, no, you don't put a lot. And just where the wrinkle is, you put it in the middle, like inside of it. It's kind of hard to see on here. So then you put it and then you just pat it, like pat, 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 pat. Some products like this, they like ball up, they get flaky, and it's a mess. And if you've tried those kinds, you've seen them before, but see how it's just kind of drying? Can y'all see? See right there? See how it's drying? There's the wrinkle, but it's like drying in there, but it's not flaky. Okay? Isn't that great? So you can see the wrinkle right here, but look how it's drying. So it's not as visible. Okay, so it's not as visible. My ring light is kind of like making my face shiny, but just to kind of, you can kind of see that. So isn't that great, y'all? This sells for $50. Okay, $50. So Botox is a whole lot cheaper than this, right? So if you just have, some little, like, areas that just bug you, then this is a great quick fix. Okay, or those of you that do Botox and that's your thing, but you're have a quick give an event coming up and you don't have time to go do that, then quick fix. Okay, so wherever you are, everyone's different. But it is something that's really fabulous. I have several customers that use it, reorder it frequently. So, I mean, if anything is being reordered frequently, then I know that it's working. Okay, so that's the best thing. So, so this is a Botox pen. Let me give y'all some other. It says after 8 weeks. the cream has shown a significant impact on the appearance of the wrinkle. Okay, so what that means is basically over the 8-week time period, that wrinkle that you've been filling in, okay, for all these weeks is already getting visibly plumper. It's not as deep as it was. Okay, so that's great. 97% of women said it does not flake, that their makeup applied easily and evenly on top of this, that their foundation primer applied easily and evenly, that it dried to an invisible finish, like so seemingly, I mean, it does, seemingly to disappear, is that it did not ball up on their skin and it did dry quickly. Oh my gosh, I know. Are y'all as excited as me? So this is something that I thought was really, it's something I really wanted to share with y'all that I have not shared before. And so I do talk about it. I do have customers on it, but I've never really jumped on and really promoted it. So I thought, why not promote my Botox pen to those of you that have some deep wrinkles that are bothering you and you want like an immediate quick fix, $50. So get with your consultant, give her a call, and try this and add this to your skincare regimen. It'll make a difference. So hope y'all enjoy that. Hope you learned something new. Bye, everyone.